What's up, everybody? It's Alex, Stinesautocare. Got a 2017 Rogue in this video. Cleaning up what happened to be the result of somebody getting sick in this car. Had to pull some trim, had to pull the seats, well, the passenger seat anyway, and really get in there, get everything cleaned up, kill as many of the little germs that were left behind as possible. At least that's the idea anyway with steam. So initially I spray this with a mild detergent, hit with a steamer, hit with some detergent again, and then here we are with a drill brush. Some of these, I guess more commonly found in European, well not really European, Asian cars, is this kind of a inexpensive, kind of really low pile, closely intertwined carpet that is an absolute pain in the butt to clean, and drill brushing pulls little fuzzies out of it, but not to worry, I clean that up after the carpet's dry. Going in with the extractor, found a spot I couldn't get, pull the kick panel out, run a ton of water through all this, make sure everything gets covered, and then go over it a bunch of times just using the vacuum feature to suck the water out. Now we're over in the driver's footwell. This area was surprisingly clean. I didn't have too much work cut out for me over here, or in the rest of the vehicle really. Leather interior, 20-some thousand miles. It was in better than average shape, even considering the circumstances. Alright, on to the mats. Again, hit them with some detergent. Let that pre-soak a little while. And then we'll hit them with some steam, drill brush, and we will extract them. If you've got a used car, or a car you carry a lot of kids, pets, or it's a hand-me-down car, whatever have you. If it's older, or if it's definitely seen some better days, a good steam and extraction is not a bad idea. This is also a good level of prep if you want to get a fabric coating or a leather coating to get the vehicle steam cleaned. These regular carpet mats don't seem to be so bothered by the drill brush either. A lot of higher end vehicles have carpets like this. It's no bother. The rugs are a lot more durable. I guess that's why they're made. I guess that's why they're the floor mats, because they're gonna see the most abuse anyway. So, may as well make them last. Back at it with the extractor. Gonna run a ton of water through these rugs. I'm sitting from a fan and let them dry after I do my lines. No, not those lines. You'll see some fancy lines come up here in a second. promised, we're doing some lines. I just take a thin, it's like a 2-inch brush, start on one edge, push and pull. Just a brush width apart. It gives a nice effect in either brand new mats or freshly cleaned mats. Definitely not a look you'll get out of your mats if you just give them a vacuum, especially if they've been matted down with a bunch of crud. Here's some extractor footage, dumping out what I got out of the carpets and out of those rugs. Yucky. I'll hit you with the before and after. Lots of baking soda she had in there to try to eliminate the odor. And boom. Came out fresh, clean, smelling good. Any questions, feel free, hit me up, stinesautocare, gmail.com, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching.